Replacing the cabin filter in a FIAT Qubo is very simple. The filter itself is located behind the glove compartment. To access the filter, you need to unscrew 6 Torx screws, 3 at the top, three at the bottom, plus 1 long screw using a hex key. Then pull the glove box toward you. The assembly is now held only by clips. Now the access to the filter is open. You need to unfasten the cover. The latch is on the left. Remove the old filter. The filter in this car was removed earlier. Insert the new one. Reassemble the entire structure in reverse order. Turn on the fan and enjoy the clean air.